I suspect I don't have a journal to chart this out, which is such a gift. I'll just, you know, I hope it's an imperceptible level. Because my hubby is home. We just flew all sorts of jump drives into it. I love life, and you broke me up. Morning. I think I had added it up and was waiting till dawn. Close enough. Possibly waiting till dawn is no sign that you're not doubling up. What are you doing? Did you? No, I remember sync camera single. I pulled off a single. That's 21 hours sober. When? No, but I was yesterday. When's the last time?
Yesterday when you had me drive you out to Alex.
In the middle of the day.
Yeah, it's not the middle of the day yet.
So I'm going afternoon, yes. Because I've been awake. I'm going afternoons with it. Sometimes, not all the time.
Fuzzy kitty. Meow.
I'll figure it out once you buy me a journal, honey.
Yeah, there's a journal right there. That's yours.
This?
Yes.
This is not what I meant.
Oh, okay, so you don't want it.
No, this will do just fine. I told you anyone will do. And this will be code. I have done but a few strikes on chitty paper. Chitty paper will really free up my writing. Thank you so much. This doubles paper supply and journal. I do like the easy open. I can't imagine how this metal was ored out of the earth.
Having a super fuzzy kitty cat.
Being that melting points don't explain separation of elements this exactly. And I expect this is measured. This is like a full day right here. Is a bigger space to write on. I'd like that. In the auction, in the book, paper is what she buys next. Paper and ink. And for the calendars, Trump, I want everyone this week to support the industry of finger paint. We'll have a finger paint reason to have people fleeing to the shelves in America and buying up all that pink finger paint. And it won't be a sale, it will be a holiday. Finger paint.